Reciprocal.
Very good. Reciprocal. So we have to do reciprocal for 4 upon 10 will be as it is. This division sign will be converted to multiplication.
Multiplication.
And the next fraction will be vice versa. Numerator will go to denominator and denominator will be in the numerator. Am I correct? So 2 ones are 2,
Yes, sir.
2 twos are 4. So
Sir,
2
is
into
that
1 will be
10.1?
2. 10 into 1 is 10. So 2 upon
Sir,
10 we got as our. શું છે વચ્ચે વચ્ચે બોલે? કોણ છે ઈ? જે સમજાવું છું સમજતી નથી વચ્ચે વચ્ચે એક્સરસાઇઝ કરે નોનસેન્સ આખી લિંક ડિસ્ટર્બ કરે છે. So 2 upon 10 we got it here. So 0 is 1. So we have one digit in numerator. So we will convert this into decimal. So you will get your appropriate answers. In the conclusion, you can write therefore 0.4 divided by 2 is equal to 0.2 as your answer. Is that all clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
This was decimal divide by whole number. Now I will show you decimal divide by decimal. Decimal divide with decimal. Chalo. Zero 0.5 divide by 0.25. Now what to be done here? We will convert that into fraction form first. There is one decimal, sorry, there is one digit after decimal, so you will take 1 0 over here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Divide sign as it is. Now after decimal there are two digits, so we will take 25 as it is and upon will be
100.
2 zeros. That will be converted to 100. Now what to be done, girls?
Reciprocal.
Very good. Reciprocal. Yes. Reciprocal. So 5 upon 10, the first fraction before sign will be as it is. This sign is division, so it will be converted to multiplication. And this fraction, after the sign, whatever sign it may be, after that, whatever fraction will be there, that will be
100
converted
upon
to,
25.
yes. Now, 5 ones are, 5 fives are 25, 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. Am I correct here?
Yes.
5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So your appropriate answer is
2 by 1.
2 by 1. If you do not write 1, then also it's okay. Your answer will be as it is, same. You can write 2 as it is. Therefore, at the end, you have to write the conclusion like this. Is that all clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up to here?
No.
So
Yes,
first
sir.
I have shown you decimal divide by whole number. This example I have shown you that decimal divide with decimal. Is that clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
dividing by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc., etc., etc. That is what we have to learn. Dividing by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 goes on. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So now, what to be done here? For example, if I say 4.8 divide by 10. So if we go with all day long process like this, divide as it is 10 upon 1, then reciprocal, right? All process like this. This will be converted to 1 upon 10. You will get 48 upon 100 and you will get 0.48. This will be your answer. You can get with this method also, but there is a short way. As we were having for multiplication, decimal સાથે multiply થાય 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. તો મેં તમને એક વસ્તુ શીખવાડેલી હતી, યાદ છે? That it will move towards right side. The number of zeros
Yes.
are there. That number of times we have to move the place values for the decimal. Yes or no?
Yes.
સમજાય છે? When it was multiplication. Now when it is division, we will move that number of places towards left side. Understood? So this 4.8 છે, તો 4.8 માંથી એક પ્લેસ લેફ્ટ સાઈડ મૂવ કરો તો ડેસિમલ ક્યાં આવી જશે? And decimal એકલો સારો ના લાગે, so it will be 0.48. Are you getting this answer over here?
Yes.
સમજાય
Yes,
છે
sir.
what we are doing here? So 4.8 divided by 10 will be 0.48. समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी गर्ल्स?
Yes. Sorry.
Okay. 6789.74. चलो 6789.74 divide by 1000. What will be the answer here? How many zeros are there?
3.
3. What we have to do here? What we have to do?
Division.
Division.
Divide.
So divide. So from the place where we have decimal, we will move towards right side or left side?
Left.
Left. So from the place of decimal, we will move 3 steps because we have 3 zeros. So the decimal will be shifted to 6.78974. This will be your answer. This decimal between 9 and 7 will be shifted to between 6 and 7. Is that clear, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
समझ
Yes,
पड़ी?
sir.
So when we
Yes.
are dividing, we will move towards left side. When we are multiplying, we will move towards right side. Towards right side. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, chalo.
Yes.
Now the last topic of this chapter, multiplying and dividing, is over. Now we are having the last topic, conversion. You already studied this in 6th standard. આ કોઈ નવો topic નથી. Conversion. Sir, conversion means what? You already know meter into centimeter, kilometer into meter. Do you remember that
Yes, sir.
of 6th standard?
Yes.
I taught you one statement. Who will tell me that statement? Do you remember this statement? Do you remember this
Sir, આ
statement?
નથી કરાવી.
હવે બને જ નહીં. રાબિયા, do you remember?
નહીં, સર શાયદ નથી કરાવી.
અરે 6th standard માં મેં તમને કરાવેલું હોય બેટા.
નથી કરાવી.
Okay.
પાક્કું.
Remember this statement for your lifetime. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Okay?
Sir, આનો
King
meaning
Harry died. પેલા આ તો બોલવા તો દે સર ને. મેં સમજાવી દીધું હોય ને તને ન ખબર પડી હોય ને તું ક્વેશ્ચન કર, વસ્તુ અલગ છે બેટા. ઈ જ તો સમજાવું છું. આનો મિનિંગ કાંઈ નથી કરવાનું. કિંગ હેરી હતો, એની મમ્મી મરી ગઈ તો ઈ રોયો નહીં. બસ એનો મિનિંગ ઈ થાય. King Harry died. Mother didn't cry much. King Harry died. એની મમ્મી બહુ રોઈ નહીં. In short. બસ તને meaning જાણવો હતો ને? Who was that girl?
Odessa.
Modesa Rajani, don't concentrate on the meaning. Just try to learn the statement because the conversion itself is covering the whole statement. Okay, bacha? K stands for kilo, kilogram, kilometer, kiloliter, etc., etc., etc. Okay? H stands for hectare, which is not included in this chapter, which is not included. Ekad sum avse hectare no, but we are not going to do that because that will be covering your higher standard. Agal jine tamne avse. This stands for deca, D-E-C-A. Okay? M stands for, this will be included for you. Meter, centimeter, meter, liter, and gram. Covers mother. Decimeter. C stands for centimeter. Okay? And M stands for millimeter. K stands for kilo, H stands for hectare, D stands for deca, M stands for meter, gram, liter, etc., etc., etc. Okay? D stands for decimeter. This will not be included right here. This will not be included. This will not be included in this. You have to concentrate on kilo, meter, centimeter, millimeter. Is that clear?
Yes.
Is that clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, if you check out between King to Harry, the difference will be of 10. Between Harry to died, the difference will be of 10. Died to mother, again 10. Mother to didn't, again 10. Didn't to cry, again 10. Cry to much, again 10. So what is the point? Every word has the difference of 10 to it. Okay. Understood? Sir, karvanu છે શું? If I ask you 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter. You already know. તમે લોકોએ ગોખીને લર્ન કરી નાખ્યું છે. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter?
1000.
1000. તમે લોકોએ ગોખેલું કરેલું છે અત્યાર સુધી. Now, Mohammed sir will teach you what is the base. How do we get 1000? If you calculate kilometer stands with king. That stands for K. Yes or no? Ha ke
Yes.
na?
Ha.
Yes. And meter stands for mother, which stands for M. સમજાય છે?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now you calculate the difference of all these three is 10. So 10 tens will be 100. These two 10 will be multiplied. 10 tens are 100. And with this 10, multiply by 10, you will get your 1000 difference. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. So 1 kilometer, when we convert to meter, it will take distance of 1000 meter. समझ पड़ी के ना पड़ी?
Pari.
1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. चलो 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter.
100.
100 centimeter.
You know that 100. Now where is meter at mother, which stands for meter? Where is
Yes.
centimeter? Didn't cry. Cry is centimeter. So what is the difference between these two? 2 tens. 10 tens are, you will get 100. The difference of 1 meter to centimeter is equal to 100. Understood? समझ
Yes.
पड़े છે? 1 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter. चलो
10.
10. How you got 10? You have learned this by heart. But if you calculate here, centimeter is here, millimeter isn't much. So what is the difference between that two? 10. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. समझ पड़ी गई गर्ल्स?
हाँ सर.
So don't forget, King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. That's it. Now coming to the next. When we have जो मोटो यूनिट मोटो છે किलोमीटर टू मीटर is smaller unit, kilometer is bigger unit. When we are going from bigger to smaller, we have to multiply. Bigger to smaller number नहीं हो, unit. Kilometer is bigger unit, meter is smaller unit, right? So when we are going from bigger to smaller, at that time we have to multiply. Bigger to smaller unit. Again, I am clearing number 1 meter to 1000, 1 kilometer to 1000 meter. Number nathi jowana. Check the unit. If you are having kilometer and we are going to meter or centimeter, at that time we have to multiply. શું કરવાનું ત્યારે? Multiply કરવાનું. When we have small unit and we are going towards to find bigger unit, મોટું unit find કરવાનું છે. At that time we have to divide. At that time we have to do what? Divide. કેવી રીતે? સર કેવી રીતે? એ ખબર ના પડી. So King Harry died was there. I check King, which stands for kilometer. Now 1 meter you have, which stands for dash kilometer. चलो 1 मीटर છે આપણી પાસે. We have to calculate what is the kilometer. So what you have to do? 1 kilometer માટે મીટરમાં જવા, you have multiplied 1 with 1000. 1 with 1000, you got 1000 meter. Are you getting? If it was 5 kilometer is equal to dash meter, so 1000 no difference. Multiply by 5, you are getting 5000 meter here. समझाय છે કે નહીં? Rabia, Amrin, Modesta, Kulsum, Aisha, Dolia, Kifa.
Yes.
Okay. So if I say the same thing, 1 meter is equal to dash kilometer. If I say 5 meter is equal to dash kilometer. So you already know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Right? 1 kilometer એટલે શું છે આપણી પાસે? 1000 meters. That is the calculative thing what we have. Now we have 5 meter here. So 5 meter છે, kilometer આપણે find કરવાનું છે. Is that clear, girls? What I am doing here? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. We have 5 meter. We have to find out what is kilometer. So how you will do? Cross multiply. So 1 kilometer will be multiplied with 5 meter upon 1000 meter. So meter તો અહીંયા ઉડી જશે. Are you getting? So what is the remaining part? 5 ones are 5 upon 1000 and the unit left is kilometer. So શું થાય છે? આપણે actualમાં divide થાય છે. શું થાય છે? નાના યુનિટ થી મોટા યુનિટ ઉપર જવા માટે શું કરીએ છીએ આપણે? Divide. Now, how many zeros do we have here?
3.
3. We have 1 digit in numerator. So 8 digit to change. Are you getting? We have to make 3 digits. So 1 and 2. Now we have 3 digits. So we will place a decimal here. So answer will be 0.005 kilometer. 0.005 kilometer. Any doubt here, girls?
No.
અહીંયા કેવી રીતે 5 કિલોમીટર નું 5000 આવ્યું? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. We have 5 kilometer. We have to find how many meters do we have. સમજાય છે? Again cross multiply. Now what we have to do here? We have to multiply the things because we are going from bigger unit to the smaller unit. So 5 kilometer will be multiplied with 1000 meter upon 1 kilometer. Now kilometer got cancelled. 5,000s are 5,000 and meter will be as it is. What is the answer I kept here? Anybody has any doubt with this term?
No.
No.
Sure, Bacha Party?
Yes.
King Harry died. King Harry died. Mother didn't cry much. Understood? Learn that statement by heart. King Harry died. Mother didn't cry much. આ કોઈ meaning સમજવા માટે statement નથી, but you should learn because of the difference of 10, 10 to 8. Understood?
Yes, sir.
આમાં કોઈને doubt હોય તો પૂછો. If you have any doubt, please ask me.
No.
No.
Sure na bachcha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, with the help of this topic, we have completed our whole chapter to explain, and every topic related to it from any of the textbook, from any of the course is covered within this explanation. There is no topic left except to be completing our exercise. Is that all clear, girls?
Yes.
તમે કોઈ પણ ટેક્સ્ટ બુક, વર્કબુક, પ્રેક્ટિસ બુક 7th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડની ચેપ્ટર 2 ની ખોલશો, મમ્મદ સરના જેટલા એક્સપ્લેનેશનના વિડિયોઝ છે આ ચેપ્ટરના, that is covering all the topics. Not a single topic will be out of this, and not a single sum will be out of this explanation. Is that clear, girls?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, right here we have completed the things. We are starting with exercise 2.1 right now. Okay? અત્યારે કરવી છે કે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં કરવી છે? It depends on you.
Next lecture.
Next lecture થી કરવું છે? We have only
Yes,
10
sir.
minutes left. So right now you can ask me any queries you have. I don't mind answering you any of the topic related to chapter 1 or chapter 2. You can ask me any questions you have. Rest, your homework will be what? To refer this chapter. Refer all the topics related to this chapter at home one time thoroughly, so that when do we follow the exercise, at that time we will not face any trouble of not solving or not getting the answer. Is that clear, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm putting off my screen right now. Right now, I am going to be on the talk with you. You can ask me any questions. If I have to solve the answers, at that time I'll present my screen. Okay?
Okay.
Sure. You got a time to check out if you have any doubt from chapter 1 what we studied, and if you have any doubt related to chapter 2 for the explanation criteria what we have completed in the class. And in our next lecture, as we have decided, we are going to start with our exercise 2.1. Okay?
Sir,
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
sir, તમે exercise બી આમ બોર્ડમાં જ કરાવજો ને?
Actually બેટા એમાં એવું છે, I don't mind. I was planning to work on that last year only, but due to the running short of time and ઘણા આગળ જતા એવું આવશે કે આપણી પાસે limited time હશે. Within 20 to 25 days we have to complete the whole FA2 or FA3. Are you getting? Semester 1, I think so.
Yes.
So at that time, I will not be able to reach to the completing the course if I'll do one sum at a time on the board. Because you know what? I have to write the whole question first, then I have to solve that answer for you all on the board. So I am planning to go with this method, that explanation session will be every time on the board. Okay? And while we do exercise, at that time, I will go through with the PDF and the criteria what I will prepare at home. Understood? So that question will be already written. We have to only read the question and we have to understand. Every time I cannot write it on the board during the lectures, and every time I cannot rub the board and I can do the next term by writing the question and solving the answers. Every time we cannot go with that. Are you getting, girls?
Yes.
So you will be guaranteed, I can guarantee you that much, that you will be able to understand the whole lecture while I explain the things on the board. Then when I do the exercise at that time, you will be clear all your doubts. That's for sure. You don't have to worry for anything. I know that you all બધા છોકરા છોકરીને બધા દીકરા દીકરીને બોર્ડ વર્ક જ વધારે પસંદ છે. I understand. I was planning about this in last year only, but I was not able to because of this reason only. As we are running short of time, duration is less, NCERT book is too lengthy, we cannot cover the whole portion if we go with that. કેમ કે ક્લાસમાં તમે હોવ છો તો ક્લાસમાં તમારી લોકો પાસે શું હોય, ટેક્સ્ટ બુક હોય અને સર પાસે એની ટેક્સ્ટ બુક હોય. તો ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં સર જ્યારે ક્વેશ્ચન રીડ કરતા હોય ત્યારે તમે તમારી ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં રીડ કરતા હોય. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? So in the class when we are offline, at that time we can directly solve the answers on board. But right now we cannot do that. समझ पड़े છે बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Chalo, if you have doubt, you can ask me, or else we can leave right now. Our almost the time is up.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay. Chalo, you do take care of yourself, everyone. Take care of your health. Take care of your family members. Do not go out without any reason. And please do your homework regularly. Prepare your mathematics fair book as well. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, have a nice time.
Bye, everyone.
Refer the whole chapter once from your PDF or from your textbook. That is your homework.
Okay, sir. Bye,
Chalo,
sir.
take care of yourself. Have a nice time, girls. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Mama, sir. Have a nice day.
આજ કઈ ટેસ્ટ છે?
Modesa. Modesa, social દેખાડ ને જલ્દી કર.